Get excited about the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 80,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.